Okay, so let's have this problem. So in solving quadratic equations using the factoring, then from this given, so first we need to find the factors of this quadratic equation. Then to find the factors, since the first term is x squared, then we need to write x to both sides of the factors. Then since x squared has one numerical coefficient, so multiply this one to negative 12. So this is negative 12. Then we need to find the factors for this negative 12. Since this is negative, so therefore in the factors, 1 is negative and 1 is positive. Because negative times positive, that's negative. Then from the given, since the middle term is positive, so therefore in the factors, positive must be the bigger number. So from this negative 12, so the factors, we have positive 12 times negative 1, and again, the bigger number must be positive. Then we also have 6 times negative 2 and 4 times negative 3. So these are the factors of negative 12. Then we need to add. So this positive 12 plus negative 1. This is positive 11. Positive 6 plus negative 2. This is positive 4. And positive 4 plus positive 3. This is positive 1. So since the middle term is positive 1x and this is positive 1, so therefore the factors are positive 4 and negative 3. So this is positive 4 and this one is negative 3. Then this time to solve for x, so just equate the factors to 0. So we have x plus 4 equals 0. Then the other one, x minus 3 equals 0. Then to solve for x, transpose this positive 4 to the other side. So that becomes negative 4. Then the other one, x equals, transpose this negative 3 to the other side. So x equals positive 3. So these are the values for x. Then for this given, so to find the factors, so again, since the first term is 5x squared, then we need to put 5x to both sides of the factors. Then multiply these numbers, so 5 times 8. So 5 times 8, this one is positive 40. Then we need to find the factors of this positive 40. Then from the given, since the middle term is negative, so therefore the factors are both negative. Because negative times negative, that's positive. So we need to write now all the factors of this negative 40, that when we add, the answer is negative 14. So we can have negative 40 times negative 1, or negative 20 times negative 2, or negative 10 times negative 4. Then observe, from this negative 10 times negative 4, if we add, so negative 10 plus negative 4, that's negative 14, and that's the middle term. So therefore the factors are negative 10 and negative 4. So this is negative 10, then negative 4. But take note that we need to reduce if there are factors need to reduce. So from this factor, so since this is divisible by 5, so we need to reduce, and 5 divided by 5, that's x, minus 10 divided by 5, that's 2. Then for this factor, so just copy. So we have 5x minus 4 equals 0. Then this time, to solve for x, so equate these factors to 0. Then we have 5x minus 4 equals 0. Then to solve for x, transpose this negative 2. That becomes positive 2. And for this factor, so we have 5x equals transpose, that becomes positive 4. Then divide both sides by 5 to solve for x. So therefore, x equals 4 over 5. So these are now the values for x. Then for this given, so to find the factors, so since on this given, the first term is 10x, so we need to write 10x to both sides of the factors. Then multiply this number to negative 9. So 10 times negative 9, that's negative 90. Then we need to list all the factors of this negative 90. So since this is negative, so therefore 1 is negative and 1 is positive. Then from the given, since the middle term is negative, so therefore the bigger number must be negative. So to write now the factors of this negative 90, so we have negative 90 times 1, and again, the bigger number must be negative. Then we also have negative 30 times positive 3, or negative 15 times positive 6. Then observe that when we add this negative 15 and positive 6, the answer is negative 9, and negative 9 is in the middle term. So therefore, these are the factors for this negative 90. So we have negative 15 and positive 6. Then this time we need to reduce some of the factors. So since for this factor divisible by 5, so this becomes 10 divided by 5, that's 2x, minus 15 divided by 5, that's 3. Then times for this factor divisible by 2, so this 10 divided by 2, this is 5x, then plus 6 divided by 2, that's 3, then equals 0. Then this time we can solve now for x, so equate all the factors to 0. So we have 2x minus 3 equals 0, and 5x plus 3 equals 0. Then to solve for x, so we have 2x equals transpose positive 3, then divide by 2. So x equals 3 over 2. Then the other one, so we have 5x equals transpose, so that becomes negative 3. Then divide both sides by 5. So x equals negative 3 over 5. So these are now the values for x. Then for this given, so again to find the factors, So just write this number to both sides of the factors. So this is 6x and 6x. Then multiply these numbers. So 6 times positive 12. That's positive 72. Then we need to list now all the factors for this 72. So since this one is positive and the middle term is positive, so therefore all the factors must be positive. So the factors of this 72, so we have 72 times 1, 36 times 2, or 18 times 4, or 9 times 8. And take note that this 9 plus 8, that's positive 17, and positive 17 is in the middle term. So therefore, these are the factors. So we have positive 9 and positive 8. Then we need to reduce divisible by 3. So this is 2x plus 3. Then the other one, this is divisible by 2. This is 3x plus 4. Then to solve for x, so equate to 0. So 2x plus 3 equals 0. And 3x plus 4 equals 0. Then we have 2x equals transpose negative 3. This one is 3x equals transpose negative 4. Divide by 2. So x equals negative 3 over 2. Then divide by 3. So x equals negative 4 over 3. So these are the values for x. Then for this given, so we have 4x to the power 2. So this is 4x and 4x. And 4 times negative 15. So this is negative 60. Then to find the factors of this negative 60, so since negative, so 1 is negative and 1 is positive. But since the middle term is positive, so therefore the bigger number must be positive. So we have positive 60 times negative 1, then positive 30 times negative 2, positive 15 times negative 4, then positive 10 times negative 6. Then observe that this positive 10 and negative 6, when you add, that's positive 4, and that's the middle term. So these are now the factors. So we have positive 10 and negative 6. Then we need to reduce. So this is divisible by 2. So this becomes 2x plus 5. Then for this factor, also divisible by 2. So 2x minus 3 then equals 0. And to solve for x, so we have 2x plus 5 equals 0. This is 2x minus 3 equals 0. Then we have 2x equals transpose. So negative 5, then divide both sides by 2. So x equals negative 5 over 2. Then this is 2x equals transpose negative 3, then divide both sides by 2. So x equals negative 3 over 2. So these are the values for x.